Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I remade the most popular YouTube video on my channel. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this glam wall mirror bigger and better than before, then just keep watching. For this project, I used one of the Dollar Tree 9-inch round mirrors, some of the large craft sticks, some clear acrylic gems, silver necklace beads. I also used some silver acrylic paint, my fix-all adhesive, glue gun, and glue sticks. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the cardboard from the back of my 9-inch mirror. I then used my hot glue to attach craft sticks to the 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions. I continued adding the craft sticks until I had laid down 32 of the sticks in total. As you can see, I marked the sticks in the same place. I did this just to help me lay the craft sticks down evenly around the cardboard. I then used my fix-all adhesive and my hot glue to reassemble my mirror. I then used my hot glue to attach a craft stick to both the top of the mirror and the bottom craft stick. To make my design stronger, I added a second layer of the craft sticks. I then flipped my design over and added a second layer of the craft sticks to the back of the mirror as well. As you can see, I'm using the hot glue to attach the sticks to the back, but also to the sticks that I just placed in the front of the mirror as well. I then began painting my design. Originally, I was using white, but I didn't like how that turned out, so I covered up the white with this silver acrylic paint that I purchased from Walmart. It would have been much easier to spray paint this, but it's been raining here for a few days, so I went ahead and used the acrylic paint instead. Once my paint was dry, I began adding my clear acrylic gems and necklace beads. I continued adding the clear acrylic gems and the beads until I had covered up my entire mirror. I allowed the glue to dry overnight, but the following day I didn't think that this mirror was quite glam enough, so I decided to add some additional gems and beads. I then used my crafting toothbrush to remove a lot of the glue strings. I followed that up with a warm hair dryer to melt away any remaining strings. To hang my design, I'm using the hanging hook that comes on the back of the mirror, but I reinforced it with some hot glue. To complete the project, I cleaned my mirror, and here was my finished look. Here's the first version of this mirror, and while it's beautiful, I think that this second version is absolutely stunning. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments if you prefer version 1 or version 2. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Next week, I take on another fan favorite, so please stay tuned. Remember, I upload new videos every single week, so until next time, guys, bye!